How to take a screenshot on your Android device. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take the screenshot on your Android device. So this is very easy thing how you can take a screenshot on your Android device. Number one step that you can do in all the Android devices, just scroll on the notification bar. While you scroll on the notification bar, you can see there is the option of screenshot right here. And when I tap on this, it will take a screenshot of my screen right here. But if you don't see this option, just go and slide on the right side and it will be shown in your notification bar the option of screenshot. But if it does not show and if you don't want to just scroll down and directly take the screenshot, then this feature in all Android phone is tap the volume down button of your Android device and the power button. When you tap this at once, it will also take a screenshot on your phone. But sometimes you can also take the screenshot by the different features of some Android phone like palm screenshot, which you can simply scroll to left side by tapping your palm on the screen and it will also take the screenshot. So you can just see the features on the setting how you can take it. But these two steps are available in all the Android devices and you can take the screenshots very easily. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below.